Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adopting the mindset that prevents accidents. Always assume a firearm is loaded and keep the muzzle pointed safely away from people. Once done, make sure your hands are steady and you have clear, well-lit workspace. This reduces mistakes. You should also confirm you have personal protective equipment, eye and ear protection, and a certified instructor lined up to teach platform-specific controls. These steps are about reducing risk, not learning technique. They set the stage for safe, supervised practice. You proceed under supervision, so safety becomes shared responsibility. An instructor will show exact controls while reinforcing why each rule exists. Once shown, practice only with inert or clearly unloaded examples to build familiarity without risk. Make sure to verbalize intent and movements to the instructor. This improves communication and prevents surprises. Also adhere to written checklists and range protocols because consistent routines reduce human error. And you finish by securing the firearm and minimizing future risk. Store it locked and unloaded, and keep ammunition stored separately in a locked container. Once stored, document the condition and who has access. This prevents unauthorized use. If at any point you feel uncertain about a control or condition, stop immediately and consult your instructor or range officer. Do not guess. Regularly refresh training and inspect safes so problems are caught early and resolved safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.